The Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 versus the Continental WinterContact 8S, a next-generation winter performance battle for middle European conditions. One tyre built around Goodyear's performance-driven UltraGrip DNA, the other a brand new OE-focused winter platform from Continental, engineered for modern premium cars. Who will win? Let's find out. The results in these videos are expressed in percentages, with the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 set as the reference point at 100%. These data are sourced from the 2025 Sports Auto Winter Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Goodyear immediately takes the lead, stopping 0.6 meters shorter, which translates to a 2% advantage in emergency safety. Through the wet handling course, the Goodyear carries 2.6 km per hour more average speed, working out to a roughly 3% advantage in cornering performance and stability. In straight-line aquaplaning, it maintains control 3.6 km per hour faster, again translating to about a 4% edge as standing water deepens. Overall, the UltraGrip Performance 3 shows a consistent wet weather advantage. On snow braking, the Continental strikes back, stopping 0.3 meters shorter, which equals roughly a 1% advantage in deceleration. In snow traction, the WinterContact 8S edges ahead with a 0.06 Newton more pulling force, translating to about a 1% gain in launch grip. But on the snow handling course, the Goodyear turns the table, carrying 1.1 km per hour more average speed, giving it around 1% advantage in agility and directional control. This makes snow a true split decision. Continental for braking and traction, Goodyear for handling sharpness and driver engagement. In dry braking, the Goodyear maintains a small advantage, stopping 1 meter shorter, which works out to a 2% edge in outright braking security. On the dry handling lap, the two are effectively neck and neck, with the Goodyear carrying just 0.6 km per hour more speed, translating to a negligible 0% difference in rear-wheel pace. Both deliver stable, predictable performance for a winter tyre on dry asphalt. In noise, this is where Goodyear makes a strong statement. It runs 2.1 decibel quieter, which works out roughly to a 3% reduction in measured exterior noise. In real-world terms, a difference of over 2 decibel is huge, especially on highways and long-distance winter drives where refinement matters most. When it comes to rolling resistance, the WinterContact 8S shows a 0.5 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, which translates to about 6% efficiency advantage, making it a more energy-efficient choice. When it comes to pricing, in the 275/35 R19, the WinterContact 8S comes in about 1% cheaper than Goodyear. Just a minute difference. In summary, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 stands out with stronger wet and dry braking, higher aquaplaning stability, and significantly lower exterior noise. It feels more polished and confidence-inspiring for daily winter driving. On the other hand, the Continental WinterContact 8S shines with slightly better snow braking and traction, along with lower rolling resistance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.